Welcome to Innera Calm. I'm Aurora Vinterdis. In this lesson, we explore what people often mean when they say Yoga Nidra feels like a deep nervous system reset. This does not mean forcing the body into calm. It means creating the conditions where the body can shift out of constant effort and into a quieter state of restoration. To understand this, we first need to understand how the nervous system responds to daily life. Your nervous system is active every moment of the day. Even when you are resting, it continues to monitor both your body and the world around you. It regulates your breathing, your heartbeat, your muscles, your attention, your digestion, your sleep. Most of this happens automatically. Your nervous system is constantly making small adjustments to help you respond to changing situations. Imagine walking through a quiet park. Your breathing is comfortable. Your shoulders are relaxed. Now imagine hearing a loud, unexpected sound nearby. Before you have time to think, your body has already reacted. Your muscles tighten. Your breathing changes. This happens remarkably quickly. It is one of the ways your nervous system helps protect you. This ability is essential. Without it, we could not respond effectively to the challenges of everyday life. Modern life, however, can activate it much more often than it was originally meant to. Deadlines, traffic, constant notifications, even quiet moments are often filled with information. The body may have fewer opportunities to return to a deeply restful state. A simple way to think about the nervous system is to imagine driving a car. Every car has an accelerator, and every car has a brake. Both are important. You would never want to drive using only one of them. Your nervous system works in a similar way. At times, your body prepares for action. You become more alert. Your muscles become ready to move. This response helps you meet the demands of the moment. At other times, your body shifts toward rest. Breathing often becomes slower. Muscles soften. Digestion becomes more active. The mind no longer needs to react to every small detail. This is the state in which recovery becomes possible. Throughout the day, your nervous system naturally moves between these different states. The challenge is that modern life often keeps us pressing the accelerator. Even activities we enjoy can keep the mind continuously engaged. Over time, many people become so accustomed to this level of activity that it begins to feel normal. When they finally sit down to rest, they discover that the body is still alert and the mind continues to race. That experience is far more common than many people realize. By the end of the day, many people look forward to a chance to rest. They sit on the couch, turn on the television, scroll through their phone, watch a few videos, read the news. These activities can feel enjoyable. They can also provide a welcome break from work. At the same time, the brain continues receiving a steady stream of information. New images, new conversations, new decisions, new things to think about. The body may be still, while the mind continues working. Yoga Nidra offers a different kind of experience. Instead of adding more information, it gradually reduces the amount of attention directed outward. Awareness turns towards simple experiences. The feeling of the body resting, the rhythm of the breath, moments of quiet. As mental activity begins to settle, many people notice that the body also responds. Breathing often becomes slower. Muscles release unnecessary tension. The mind becomes less occupied with planning, remembering, or solving problems. This quiet state cannot be forced. It develops gradually. Each practice becomes an opportunity to step away from constant stimulation and spend a little time in simple awareness. People often ask whether Yoga Nidra changes the nervous system. A more useful question is this: what conditions help the nervous system recover? Think about how your body recovers after physical exercise. Recovery does not happen while you are lifting the weights. It happens afterward, when the body has time to repair and adapt. The nervous system also benefits from periods of genuine rest. Yoga Nidra creates space for that rest. Attention becomes quieter. The body has an opportunity to remain still. Breathing often settles into a slower rhythm. Minute by minute, the mind becomes less occupied with responding to the outside world. Everyone experiences Yoga Nidra a little differently. Some people notice a deep sense of calm. Others become aware of tension they hadn't recognized before. Some drift close to sleep. Others remain awake throughout the practice. Each of these experiences can be part of Yoga Nidra. The benefits are often easier to notice over time than after a single session. Many people discover they recover more easily after demanding days. They recognize stress sooner. They find it easier to pause before reacting. Small changes like these can gradually influence the way we move through everyday life. The purpose of Yoga Nidra is not to escape life. It is to return to life, feeling a little more rested, a little more aware, and a little better prepared for whatever comes next. In our next session, we'll put these ideas into practice. Rather than learning something new, you'll have an opportunity to experience a longer period of deep, uninterrupted rest. There will be less guidance than in previous practices. more quiet, more time to observe what happens when the body is given permission to remain completely still. Every practice unfolds differently. Some days the mind becomes quiet very quickly. On other days, thoughts continue to come and go. Both experiences are completely natural. The practice remains the same. You continue observing, breath after breath, moment after moment. As you continue through this series, you may begin to notice something interesting. Deep rest isn't created by doing more. It often appears when the mind gradually stops asking for the next thing to do. For a few minutes, the usual demands of the day can wait. Rest here with the simple experience of being present. Only this moment. Join me in the next lesson for a guided Yoga Nidra practice designed to support deep nervous system recovery through stillness, gentle awareness, and extended periods of quiet. Thank you for spending this time with me. I'm Aurora Vintidis. Until next time, take good care of yourself.